Hi everybody, welcome to Math at Home week number 4. Today we are going to be solving some problems and we're going to look at some different ways to solve the same problem. So the first problem we have today is Mrs. Frost had 14 jelly beans. 8 of them were pink. How many were not pink? So there are several ways we can do that. One way we can do that, is to get some jelly beans. There are 14 of them, and I can separate out how many of them were pink. But that gets a little confusing, so let's try this. Let's get a little 10 frame, and I just drew my very own 10 frame with a marker, and I'm going to put out the pink jelly beans first. It says 8 of the jelly beans were pink. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8, and we know there were 14 that were not pink. So there's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So if 8 of them were pink, how many of them were not pink? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we're going to ask ourselves, what would that look like if we wanted to write that into a number sentence? Well, I had 14 jelly beans minus the 8 that were pink, left me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of them were not pink. But guess what? There's another way I could write that. I could say this. I know that I need 14 jelly beans, and I know that 8 of them are pink. I'm missing that number right there. I know 8 of them are pink. So if I want to find out how many are not pink, I do this. So there's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them were not pink. It's the same problem, the same setup, but it just depends on how I look at it. But I still get the same answer. 8 of them were pink, 6 of them were not pink. Now, what if I don't have any jelly beans? Okay, I could do this. I know I have 14 jelly beans. I can draw all 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I knew that 8 of them were pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are not pink. So any of those ways, I can solve that problem with those jelly beans. Okay? All right, let's put the jelly beans away for a minute. Ugh, now, they're sticky. Let's look at the second problem we have. Diane had 19 markers. 7 of them were Sharpies. How many of them were Crayola? Okay, so she had 19 markers. If we want to draw that out like we did the other one, we can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And we know that 7 of them were Sharpie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And all the rest were Crayola. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know that we had 7 Sharpies and 12 Crayolas. And we know that we had 19 markers altogether. So we knew that 7 of them were Sharpies and we had 19. The number we were looking for was here. So 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 works like that. I also could do this. I also could say I have 19 markers minus the 7 that were Sharpie, and how many is that? And again, it's going to look just the same. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm going to cross off the 7 that were Sharpies. Everything that's left is a Crayola. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 Crayola markers. I could act it out. I could act that whole story out using jelly beans if I wanted to. And I could say, I could fill out 19 of them and take away the 7 that were Sharpies. Either way, but this is the picture. It's either going to look like this or this. And you're going to have this number sentence where you're finding how many this way. That's called a missing addend, or this way where you are subtracting. Either way, you want to either act it out or you want to draw a picture to show what you're doing. Now remember, we always label our answer. Since we were looking for how many Crayola markers, we label that with Crayola. All right? So I have some problems for you to try. There's one about stuffed animals, rabbits and cats. There's one about Pokemon books. And there's one about chocolate chip and blueberry pancakes. You want to make sure when you're reading that you read carefully. Dad made 15 pancakes for breakfast. He made chocolate chip and blueberry. If 6 were chocolate chip, how many blueberry pancakes did he make? So you know that altogether there are 15. You know that 6 of them are chocolate chip. What you're trying to find out is how many of them are blueberry pancakes. And again, drawing a picture is a great way to do that, or you could act it out with buttons or candies or whatever you wanted to use. All right, so try these out. If you want to show me how you found out your answer, you could have someone email me your answer at frosta@penfield.net. And we will see you next week. Keep having some fun, play some games, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.